welcome back to another session today. Again, trading with the FlowPro bot in the crypto market, and as you can see I have longs already activated, and this is because there's been a huge surge in price and the market is quite bullish. So price is just surging on every asset, especially altcoins, and that's what I'm trading today is Solana. And I'll pop up on the screen the settings I'm using for this session. So like I've said numerous times, I'm always a big advocate of trading with the trend, so that is why I just want to take longs today, because the price is really pumping and we only want to trade in the direction of that pump and hopefully get a good few in. So we'll see how it goes today, hopefully get a good few trades. And here we go, we get our first entry. It's a long position, of course, and the FlowPro bot has detected a lot of buying pressure here. Again, if you're not familiar with this trading algorithm, it's an order flow strategy that focuses on buying pressure, selling pressure within the footprint chart data. So as you can see the price here, we need to break those highs. We've got the delta increasing, and of course I'm using a couple of indicators to help me with my analysis today. We've got whale orders, we got liquidity catcher and CBD. So I can really read the market with these tools, and these are free indicators on our site. So if you want access, please visit the link in the description and you can get access for yourself. So great price action so far. I mean, moving up really nicely here, not really entering the red zone at all, and using a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So the wins are substantially bigger than the losses, so we can get away with a lower win rate today. Super close to that take profit level, just really struggling to hit it here, but again another whale order, so more reinforcement that price is going to continue going up. The delta is super healthy. I have no reason to believe this is going to go down, and there we go, we get a nice wick to the upside and we hit our take profit level. So first win of the day, 620 PNL, so very decent start, and hopefully a lot more like this will be great. Guys, we're in a strong uptrend. My confidence is high when I'm trading with that trend, so I'm going to try to take bigger wins and take less risk, and hopefully, you know, it's going to pay off in an environment like this, trading with the trend, especially in a very bullish market. If you guys have been trading crypto, you'll know that recently there's been a great surge and the volume's really picking up on the daily time frame. So we'll keep it going here. Hopefully more wins are to come and we get another entry, guys, another long position. Now we're approaching a resistance point up here, as you can see. That is from the support and resistance indicator that we have, and the take profit level is just above that, so it's very essential that we break those levels. But we have been making higher lows, higher highs, so I'm hopeful that this is the next bull leg where price is going to make those higher highs, and we will in fact win this trade if we break that resistance level. So as you can see, we did get a reaction off that resistance level, so price moving nicely into the green zone, but there is a negative reaction off of that level. That's expected. The key thing here is that going to cause a reversal in the price and we're going to hit a stop loss, or is it just a demand level? Very important signal here, guys. Look at these whale orders. We've got good delta with good volume starting to go up again, and we've got multiple whale orders in a cluster, and again another little bit of a pump here. So this is all bullish signs that price is going to continue this upward trajectory, but of course we need to break this resistance level. If we do not break that level, then it's looking a bit bearish, but once we do break it, I'm pretty confident we are going to win this trade and maybe multiple more. So that's the most important thing right now, is to get through that level and break structure. Again, guys, very key level. We are approaching it. We just need to break this level and secure this win. The delta is still increasing, so I'm pretty confident that we are moving in the right direction, but of course none of that matters until we break this level, because as you can see, it's a key resistance level. We've had multiple reactions at it, but here we go. It looks like we are in the process of moving up and potentially breaking it here. Here we go. Okay, So this is looking very good now. We have broken that level. The candle is closed above that level. So we are looking bullish once again. This should be another win. Great signals from the FlowPro bot so far. I mean, this is a strong uptrend. It's like you can buy anywhere and you're going to win a trade. But it is giving us the optimal entries where a lot of buying volume is entering the market, and our goal is just to follow that volume and copy the trades of the institutions. And here we go, guys. We get another win. Beautiful trade.
Order placed.
Okay, get filled into another trade. Beautiful, another long position. And of course, we only have longs activated, so that's expected. Price has pulled back a little bit, and this is perfect for an entry. You always want to see the price pull back before going back in. Moving up nicely here, we got whale order again. The delta is making new highs, so very healthy trend at the moment. No real evidence of it slowing down just yet. Okay, look at this, guys. Multiple whale orders again. We get a cluster of whale orders. This is a strong signal, usually correct, because when you see a cluster like this, it's telling you there's a lot of trades there with high volume that are entering in on the same place. This suggests institutional activity. Well, these trades are taking a while, but as you can see, we're right at that take profit level, and we do hit the level. It took a while to hit it. I mean, we were right beside it for a long time, but we do eventually hit that TP level, and we are moving quite nicely in this uptrend again. So 3 wins in a row here. We're up to $1,800 in profit. So already a very successful day, and we'll see. We might take 1 or 2 more trades, but the delta is still increasing. I have no reason to believe this is going to reverse just yet, so we're going to keep it on longs and hopefully get a few more trades. Yes, the price is a bit overbought, and I would ideally want it to, pull back a little bit before perhaps activating the bot, but because it's such a bullish day and the delta is very positive, I'm just going to leave it on long and let the bot decide where the good entries are. And as I was saying, that we got entered again into another long position, quite high up in the price, but we've been winning so far, so I'm just going to let it go and see how this one performs. Hopefully another win. Super bullish candle here, a lot of volume just pumped in. It's exactly what we want to see in this price action. I'm surprised there's no pullback, but of course that's probably inevitable and it's going to come eventually. But this is exactly what I want to see. More volume, more positive delta, and it looks like we are still moving upwards. It's exactly what we want to see. Guys, pay attention to this green candle here. And this one as well. These are quite large green candles, but the delta on them are so weak compared to the bullish activity we had earlier. So this is suggesting that this price is actually going to go down here, and I think we might lose this one because the delta on these green candles is just so weak, and the market sellers are actually in control here. So this is looking very bearish. This is how you can use delta to your advantage and see where the price is actually going. Is it actually going to be pulling back or not? But because the CVD is telling you if the buyers or the sellers are in control of the price. Yeah, there we go. Okay, we get stopped out. That's okay. The loss is not as big as it could have been because the risk to reward ratio is, in my favor and quite large. So we can take that loss. It wasn't a big one, but as you can see, the delta is super bearish. This is our pullback, but this is setting us up for a good long entry now.
Order placed.
Okay, another long entry. We get a buy position here. So price has pulled back. Now it's going upwards again, and again, hopefully the continuation of the uptrend. We didn't break any significant lows. We actually made a double bottom here. And look at this candle. We got liquidity capture and whale orders on the exact same candle. That's a super bullish signal right there, and I didn't want to enter that because the delta was not so strong at that point, so I didn't know if it was a false signal. but it does seem like it was the correct decision. Now the FlowPro bot has confirmed that there's a lot of buying pressure here, so I'm okay with this entry, and hopefully we can convert this into another win. We're not out of this just yet. There we go. Okay, good. A lot of buying came in there. We got whale orders. The whale orders, another cluster, not just an individual one. So the clusters are way more accurate than the individual signals, and the delta is starting to increase now and making new highs. So these are really good signs for us. Okay, beautiful movement. We just broke those previous highs, the previous swing point right here. That's looking very, very good. You know, in an uptrend, you do want to break structure to the upside to continue the trend. You know, if you start making double tops and you fail to do so, the trend might just exhaust. So super close, guys, super close. This is going to bring us up to 2000 PNL, and a reversal right here would be quite heartbreaking. Okay, we get our win, guys. We here take profit. That's exactly what we wanted to see. A lot of volume pumped in there, and we do get the dub. So there we go, guys. We get 4 wins and we lose one of our trades, unfortunately. You know, it was in the profit for a good while, but it did pull back, but it did not reverse the trend, and we continued upwards. We entered in on the pullback and got another win. So beautiful, beautiful price action. This is how I trade with the trend, guys, using the FlowPro bot strategy. And if you guys are looking for this bot, you can get access in the links in the description. Get your own access, guys. Get access to our free indicators. And if you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up, comment, please subscribe. And guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.